Hey guys, how you doing? It's Harry here again. So recently I bought this from a car boot. I paid £65 for it. I think it was quite a good price. It's an SMK CO2 air rifle. Got the whole bundle for 65, so that's the air rifle, some pellets, and a box of CO2 canisters. Been trying to get myself an air rifle for a while. I want something to shoot in the back garden. I used to do shooting at a rifle club when I was younger, but I gave it up, and I thought I'd like to do a bit every now and then in my back garden. So I bought this. Seemed in pretty good condition, a little bit of wear and tear here and there, but overall seems to be in fairly nice condition. It's got this really nice scope on it. It's got this bolt action here for loading the pellets, and it's got this kind of like suppressor on the end. I don't know if that's just for show or if it actually works. I'm not too sure. If you know, let me know in the comments if these actually work on air rifles or if they are just for show, because I don't think air rifles are that loud anyway. But yeah, so I think what happens is you unscrew this and you put your CO2 canister in. I think you get around 50 shots per CO2 canister. I had a quick look online and that's what they said, but then again, it could be more, it could be less. They said it's also temperature varied. You get more shots when the canisters are warm, something like that. If that's true, please let me know. Interested to know. But yeah, for £65, I think I got quite a nice little deal here. I think SMK isn't one of the best known air rifle brands. It's one of the cheaper ones, but apparently they make okay air rifles from what I can tell online. So yeah, I'm interested to see what it's like and give it a go. So I think I'll set up some targets and we'll get back to you and see how well it does. See you in a sec. Right guys, we've got some tin cans set up, so let's give it a go and see how well it performs. Put pellets in. What you can do with it. Sight seems to be good. Yeah, well, it seems to fire pretty well. The sight seems to be good on it. I'll set you up a bit closer and we'll see how well it does against the tin cans. Back in a sec. So there we have it, guys. It seems to do pretty well. The scope on it seems to be pretty damn good and pretty damn accurate. Everything else about it seems to be good. Haven't had to change the CO2 canister yet, which is pretty well, considering they say sometimes you only get 30 shots out per canister. But yeah, I did pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. So there we have it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this video. Do you like this air rifle? Please let me know in the comments below. If you want to check out my channel, we've got some other things on the channel that might interest you. So you want to check that out, and remember to subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.